wonderful investors, good afternoon. This is your landlady, Helen. I'm right here in our estate, Ocean View by Atlantics, here in Odeomi, Ibeju, Lekki. As you can see, this is a beautiful estate. An estate that you don't need to buy and then start thinking about filling up. It's a dry table land, and you can see the kind of work that is ongoing. 60% completed, and a lot of people who subscribe have been giving their allocations. The estate comes with instant allocation. Once you fully paid up, you get your allocation. It comes with a beautiful title, registered survey and deed of assignment. Now, this estate is not far from campaigne Tropicana. So many people come from Port Harcourt, Abuja, just to go to campaigne Tropicana. You are just here. So I encourage you to be part of this beautiful land. Call me, chat me why it is still very affordable. 800,000 naira for 600 square meters. That is it. Don't wait until you hear sold out. Wise investors, they go to the bush where it is affordable to buy, and they wait for it to appreciate to sell. And that is what I'm encouraging you now. Call me for us to get started on Ocean View by Atlantics here in Odeomi.